Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to leave a Discord server. Now, first thing I want to mention is once you leave a Discord server, yeah, you can join back in, but the roles you had, for example, if you're a moderator in a Discord or many roles that one might have in a Discord, if you had any such roles, they will be removed, and even if you join back, you'll have to talk with whoever's in charge and get those roles back. So it's kind of a tedious process, so make sure if you're leaving a server, you know what you're doing, and yeah, and I'll show you how to do it. So open up your Discord and you want to press on the top, which is the server name right here. Once you press on that, you want to wait. Yeah, it's my server, I can't really do that, but you see, this is Apex Legends server. It's everyone has it, so I'm just gonna join a random server, which I do not care. I'm just gonna go here, search for a gaming server. I'm just gonna join this. Okay, I'll join this core. I have no idea what server is this, but anyways, you see, now I don't want to be in this server, right? So what do I do to leave? I'm gonna press on the name and then just leave the server. It's just like that. But obviously that really didn't have much options, but it's just gonna come like that. And then when you once you press on leave, that's it. You are forever out of that server. Now I'll try to see. You know what? Yeah, I'll leave this server. Why not? So once I press on leave, I just want to press on leave again, and that's it. It's gonna ask you why did you leave, too many notifications, too much activity. I'm just gonna say I didn't mean to join, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, hit that notification bell and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.